Hey there. If you're a data analyst dealing with monstrous datasets, you've come to the right place. Today I'm diving into how you can handle big data like a pro using Excel and Power BI. Buckle up, because this is going to be a game changer. First, let's tackle Excel. You might think Excel can't handle big data, but it's all about knowing the right tricks. One of the most powerful tools in Excel for big data is Power Query. With Power Query, you can import, transform, and clean millions of rows of data without breaking a sweat. It's like having a data cleaning robot at your fingertips. Here's a pro tip: always use Excel's built-in data model. Instead of loading data directly into spreadsheets, load it into the data model. This way you can handle more data without crashing Excel. Plus, you get to use powerful DAX functions to create intricate calculations and summaries. Now let's switch gears to Power BI. This tool is a beast when it comes to handling big data. The first thing you need to know is direct query mode. Unlike import mode, direct query doesn't load data into Power BI. Instead, it queries your data source directly, meaning you can work with massive datasets without worrying about memory limits. Another game changer in Power BI is incremental refresh. Instead of refreshing your entire dataset, it only refreshes the data that has changed. This not only saves time but also reduces the load on your system. Don't forget about aggregations. Aggregations in Power BI let you summarize large datasets into smaller, more manageable chunks. You can create summary tables that contain only the most critical data, making your reports faster and more efficient. To wrap things up, remember that handling big data is all about using the right tools and techniques. With Excel's Power Query and Data Model, and Power BI's Direct Query and Incremental Refresh, you'll be analyzing massive datasets like a pro in no time. So get out there and start taming those data beasts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more data tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.